update on the 80s room after moving. Reebok pump, pumps, Reebok, Nike, Reebok Classic, Air Up Tempos, Shack Attack pumps, more basketball shoes, and the classic Air 90's. Alf's, mostly away. There's a G.I. Joe, Garbage Pail, B-Box, if anyone remembers them from Reebok back in the early 90's. Old Alf tea towel. Alf's. Teddy Ruxborough, My Pet Monster. Some more Alf's Annie. Bits and pieces, another Alf. Some stuff I've still got to put away up there. These are my 60s and 70s matchboxes. And then my 80s, they're all unopened. Or pretty much all unopened. 90s in here. Our phones, yes they work. Pick it up. Just some Night Riders. Some more Matchbox bits and pieces. Now He-Man table. Slowly coming along. I've done the castle. These later ones, I'll open a few and put some of them out. And if we go over here, so the original He-Man from the 80s are in these bags. I don't know what you can see. There's a few. Try and get a light. There's a few. And a few of the newer ones underneath. That's actually the hard one to get. One of the hard ones is Orko, original Orko. And I've got his accessories in there. Battle Armor He-Man original. He-Man himself, the OG. What's up in there? Grislaw with fur and good nick. Believe it or not, that's hard to find. Man at Arms. Gotta have Man at Arms. Webster. Battle Armor Skeletor. To go with the Battle Armor He-Man. Whiplash. Still got his tail attached. And one of my favourites, Buzz Off. Still got the wings. And then there's all the newer ones underneath. Various sizes. And then some Alf. That's from the original cartoon show. Unopened. The blisters have come apart a little bit, so I've had to sellotape it, otherwise they just would have fallen out. When the Ninja Turtle live action movie came out, a Robocop, Thundercats, some G.I. Joe comic books from back in the day, some Alf books from back in the day, Action Man, Eagle. I've got a few others hidden away, still haven't unpacked. Some Alf comics. Double ups. Original Willow book. Lots and lots and lots of Hot Wheels and Matchbox. Lots and lots. Lots and bloody lots. And there. I've got more over here. More down there. All the good ones are all in blisters. Let me find an old one. There's an old OG. There you go. The Dodge Tomahawk bike. If anyone remembers that. When Dodge decided to put their Viper motor in a motorbike. When that Dodge first came out. What was that, 91 I think. Some Honda Cubs. I've got quite a few old bikes. Here's one of my favourites that I had as a kid, was this one. The Beetle. Got a couple of those. Some of the newer ones, got to have an escort. Alright, too many, far too many. One of my latest ones, I'll turn them on, eh? It's pretty cool. Yes, I'm a geek. Let's make him do the force. Anyway. And some transformers. He decided to keep working. Anyway, so getting there, I'm going to get another shelf like this, put that here. Right, I'm turning him off, he's getting annoying. Yeah, shush. Done. And, yep. All good. Cheers. Cheers, everyone.